Hello, shut down your ice block business if you are using generator that is also using petrol. Shut down your ice block making business if you are using generator that is using gasoline. On this YouTube channel, I've taught you that you can use generator to power your ice block machine. But with the recent increase in the price of PMS, which is called Premium Motor Spirit in Nigeria, from around 195 or 190 or 189 or 200 as the case may be, up to 515 being the minimum that you can buy petrol or gasoline or PMS. It means a lot. The price have gone up more than double. Double of 200 naira is 400. Then the price went on to 500. It didn't stop at 500, it went to 515. This means if you are using petrol generator for your ice block business, please quickly stop it, because you may, and in fact, I don't know how you are going to break even with it. Even vehicle owners that are using their vehicles for businesses like Bolt, Uber, they just ended a 3-day strike action that they went on. And because of the strike, this ride-a-share company, Bolt, Uber, and others, they increased the fare that they charge the passengers. But they are yet to to decrease the commission that they charge. And their drivers are complaining. Now, if you are using generator that also uses petrol for ice block making business, how much are your customers going to buy the ice block from you, to the extent that the customer will make profit and you also will make profit? Those who are using diesel generator can continue. In fact, when the price of PMS went up, the price of diesel and gas came down. So you may need to change to diesel. You may need to change to diesel. You may need to change to diesel. Many people have been asking me about using of solar panels for the ice block business. I am doing a great and thorough research on that, and I'm going to bring you information about use of solar for ice block business. If you have other questions you want to ask me, please drop it in the comment section below. I am interested in your success, and you should make money from the ice block business, and you are going to make money from the ice block business if you are following what I am teaching. Until I come your way again in the next video, please go ahead and watch my over 600 videos about money making, marriage, love, relationship, and others. And also this video that is popping up right now is the next you need to watch. Go ahead and watch it. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe now. And if you have subscribed, go ahead and share the link of this video. If you have shared the link of this video, go ahead and like this video. I care for you, and I'm interested in your success and your breakthrough. Until I come your way again, remain blessed.